I'm not sure which box this came from, but hey, I have an Olay Eyes. It is a pro-retinol eye treatment. But it's got a cool little cap. That moment you have so much crap on your floor. Well, it's not crap. It's packages, hauls, PR stuff, unboxing stuff, whatever. Just all in the way. I'm about to redo this room again. Part of my Ulta haul, which there'll be 2 more. There will be the 21 days of Ulta haul and the spring cleaning Ulta haul. So I did get things for everybody in those hauls, but the stuff for the subscriber giveaway that will be added bonus stuff, I'm not going to show you. I'll leave a little mystery to it, you know. Alright, I've been waiting for this after I seen it in the catalog. And there's 3 of them. They all are $9.99. And they're the Ulta Beauty Loves boxes. Kind of like favorites and stuff like that. I've been wanting this. So I went and got it. This one's the Pamper Yourself Bath and Body Must-Haves. There's a hair in my face. There's a $31.99 value. And that's what it looks like. On the back, it gives you a little information about the stuff. And of course, there's no prices. Yeah. It's one of those days. All my stuff that I need is clear over there. The desk is away from the window. But I've got my knife, so we're good. Alright, comes in a tray like this. And we have Being by Sanctuary Spa. It's cloudberry and lychee blossom. It's a body lotion. So if you tried any of these products, and I say I haven't tried them yet, do me a favor, leave a comment down below on what you thought about it. Oh, I just kissed it. Great. There's lipstick on that. Oh, that smells wonderful. That's like a berry smell. Not completely sure of what berry, but it's a berry smell. That's pretty neat. Then we have the H2O, or H2O plus Beauty Specialty Care Hand and Nail Cream. Nourishes with fresh scent. Well, that's neat. I can't smell it because it's got a safety seal on it. Man. But whenever I go to use it and finish it up, then, you know. Oh my gosh, this thing's in there. Alright, we have a Spearmint Eucalyptus Artisan Bath Fizzy. Has a fresh smell. Like a fresh, clean smell. Unless the spearmint, you know, get that smell once you get it into the bath. I don't know. This summer, that is going to be my goal, is using all these bath bombs and everything else. And see how I like them. But that guy is pretty big. I mean, damn. He's heavy. That didn't look right. Oh. And I love this stuff. It is the Soap and Glory, the Righteous Butter Body Moisturizer. This stuff is awesome. If you have never tried it before, you are missing out. Say it's 2 days past the time you need to shave your legs, and that hair's starting to get thick, but you know it's probably going to be about another 3 days before you get a chance to shave them. Start putting this on after you shower. It will soften that hair up, and you won't be thinking about shaving your legs until that day. That stuff's awesome. Alright, we have the Sheamoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Illuminating Body Lotion for dull skin. Of course, safety seal. Now, if this is anything like their shampoo and conditioner, my body's not going to handle it very well. And the last thing we have in here is a product I would like to try, like a company. I've seen so many of their lotions, and they got a banana one, and it was out of stock in Ulta, and now it's back, but it's from the Body Shop. This is the Satsuma shower gel. It looks like it might be an orange one. My husband likes the smell of orange. He likes the citrus smells. That kind of smells citrusy and like musty all at the same time. Weird. But that was the Pamper Yourself box. What do you think of that one? We still have 2 more to go. We have the targeted treatment. It looks like that. And it also gives all your information back there. We have tissue paper. We saved tissue paper. And they just kind of dumped everything in there. It's kind of like those Target boxes we just opened up at the beginning of the month. So let's just dump it on out. Tissue paper. My, that was a hellacious sneeze. I'm glad I wasn't recording during that time. Alright, we have the Ulta Beauty Smart Skin Care Solution Ultra Moisturizing Sheet Mask Hydrating Coconut. And it's antioxidant rich green tea extracts. Skin Softening Pro Vitamin B5. It's a single-use mask. So, there we go. I've never used one of their masks before. And we also have Freeman Beauty Infusion Revitalizing Peel Off Mask. And it's pomegranate. I just used the pomegranate mask this morning. Instantly boosts radiance, increases resiliency, refines pores. Gently peel off mask. Oh, I hate peel off masks though. I was hoping it was one of those skin peeling masks. I was wrong. Alright, we have Nip+fab glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pads. There's 10 of them in here. They exfoliate. Never used any Nip+fab products before, so I'm really, really interested in this. And I've used this product before, and I love it, so I'm glad to see it. It's number 7, Restore and Renew Face, Neck, and Multi-Action Serum. This stuff is very finicky with moisturizers, so if it don't work for one moisturizer, move on to another moisturizer. Oh, that's cute. I don't know what that is, but that's cute. This is the I Do Care Pure to the Pore Cleansing Volcanic Ash Clay Mask. Ew. It looks like that jelly stuff, too. Smells like ash. But that's probably like a one-time use, possibly. Yeah, because this is where they get you on these little masks, or at least little containers. And the last thing that was in that box is Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Wash Off Clay Mask. Mineral clay removes dirt and oil for healthy looking skin. Single use mask. It comes in a little tub thing like this. Don't dip your breadsticks into this. So make sure you keep up with this. It don't go in your refrigerator or on your kitchen counter. Bad things could probably happen. The last box we have is also $9.99 of value of $30. The other one had a value of $27. This is the Skincare Superstars. And of course it also has all that information on the back of everything. With tissue paper. Just dump it in there. Okay. That's it. That's all we get for that. An Olay Regenerist Whips Light as Air. Seriously, Ulta? We got, you know, good sample sizes from like Walmart or Target boxes. Like, you know, they were in jars. So that, I don't mind the foil packets, but when everybody else is giving out in jars, that just kind of aggravates me, but I'll still use it. I haven't used the other ones yet either. And L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Cleanser Detox Brightening. I think I just got one of these. And of course it's probably already in the bathroom cabinet. And we have Cerave Moisturizing Cream for normal to dry skin. It moisturizes, restores, and maintains protective skin barrier. And we have Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm Antioxidant Super Moisturizer. It's a little tub thing too. Their little moisture balms always smell good, but I'm always scared because I have extremely oily skin. So they're kind of like on the last part of my rows for stuff. Alright, we have two things left. We have the La Roche-Posay Extra Dry Skin Lip Care Balm AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. That was a whole bunch of weird words. Well, only one weird word, but it was aggravating to me. Looks like that. We would have to look up more information on this. And the last thing that was in that box is Vinci. Or Vici? I call it Vinci. That's probably Vici. Something like that. And it's a thermal hydration cream. We'll turn it onto the side that's actually American words. I just can't wait to play with all this stuff, but of course it goes to the end of the line and I do everything that I've gotten before that. Oh, that's a pretty bottle. It's just weird. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it kind of has this weird, there's a flat spot right there. Like they tried to make like an octagon, but it curved at the top and curved at the bottom, just, you know, but that looks pretty full. Smells like grandma. It looks like somebody already took their finger and dipped it in there. That's a cheating sample. Alright, that is all I have for the... My camera just started jumping, so I'm not sure where I left off, but that is all I have for you guys today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, throw me a comment, and if you're interested, there is a giveaway going on, and the link should be listed down below, so go check it out, and I will see you all later.